Today we're going to learn 5 English collocations with make. Ready? Let's go. Number 1. Make demands on someone. It means to expect or require a lot of time, effort, or energy from a person. For example, this job makes heavy demands on employees. Raising children makes great demands on parents. Number 2. Make a good impression. It means to cause others to form a positive opinion of you. For example, he tried to make a good impression at the interview. Her friendly attitude made a good impression on everyone. Number 3. Make an effort. It means to try hard to do something, even when it is difficult. For example, she made an effort to speak English every day. If you make an effort, you will improve quickly. Number 4. Make plans. It means to decide in advance what you're going to do. For example, we made plans to meet again next week. It's difficult to make plans when the weather's so unpredictable. And number 5, make one's way. Make one's way has 2 main meanings, and both are very common. The first meaning is to move or travel toward a place, often gradually or with some difficulty. For example, she made her way through the crowded train station. After the concert, we made our way home on foot. The second meaning is to become successful, especially through effort over time. For example, he made his way as a freelance designer in Berlin. Despite many difficulties, she made her way in the film industry. Now it's your turn. Write your own sentences in the comments and subscribe for more.